So after the class, you can go to the lab and start practicing. There will be mentors. Okay, if any doubts are there, you can ask the mentors. And if they are not clarifying, then you can ask in the next day, I'll clarify it. Okay, but you have to practice every day. So that is how you become master in the subject. If you don't practice, if you don't install, if you are just listen the classes, then nothing will happen. So computers means you have to practice more. Okay, if I tell 2 programs, you have to do 10 programs. It should be like that. Okay, yes. So this is second one, open ideally, and second one is Windows command prompt. So working in interactive mode, you cannot work like this in your mobile. In mobile you cannot work. Okay, you download Pydroid. Pydroid is what? App. Okay, you cannot work like this. You cannot do some real time things in mobile. Okay, so don't think that I can practice in mobile and I'll get the job by practicing in mobile. No, you have to work in your system. Okay, now, yes. So working in interactive mode. Okay, at Windows what? Command prompt. So what do you do it? Open which one? Command prompt. So how you open command prompt? Search for what? CMD. So I'm writing all the steps. Search for CMD, right? Search for what here? CMD. Search for CMD. Okay, just search for CMD. Okay, so if you say CMD, it will open the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt. Please try to, yes, open the command prompt. Okay, yes. So this is how you open the command prompt. So search for CMD. So search for CMD here. Okay, yes. Search for CMD. And once you open the command prompt, at the prompt, what you type? Python. When you type Python, if you get Python command is not recognized, it means Python software is not installed, or path is not selected. 2 reasons you'll get the message. Command is not recognized if the Python software is not installed. And second one is if the path is not set. I said, yesterday when you install the Python software, you select the path. If you select the path, then you can access this Python command from anywhere. If you select the path, you can access this Python command from anywhere. If you don't select the path, can you use this Python command from anywhere? No, you cannot use this Python command from anywhere. Yes. And if you want to close this, you just type the function called which one? Exit. If you want to come out from which mode? Interactive mode, just type the exit. You are at which prompt? Windows prompt. This is which prompt? Python prompt, Chevron prompt. Now from Windows prompt, you can execute which commands? Windows command. From Python prompt, you can execute which commands? Python commands. Now exit is a function. What is the name of the function here? Exit. Exit is a function to close this. So exit is a function to come out of this interactive mode. Exit is a function which is used to come out of this interactive mode. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think you understood these 2 modes here. Okay. So working in interactive mode in how many environments? In which one? Ideally, and second one is Windows command prompt. But which one is preferable? Ideally. But is it preferable to work in command prompt? No. But even though as a Python developer, you must have a knowledge in working in which one? Command prompt. Yes. Now just to see here, try to answer some questions. Okay. Some simple questions, MCQs. Now you can see a simple questions, right? A simple Python questions here. Simple, not a big questions here. So there are a lot of questions out there, right? But here we are talking about some basic questions, right? So these are some basic questions related with the Python here, right? Basic, not all the questions here. Now only two questions you can answer it here. Just to see here. Now which of the following, see here, which of the following is not the mode of interacting with the Python? Interactive mode, scripting mode, hybrid mode, none of the above. See, which of the following is not the mode of interacting with the Python? You can interact with the Python using which mode? Interactive mode. You can interact with the Python using which mode? Scripting mode. Can you interact with the Python using hybrid mode? No. You cannot interact with the Python in, there's no mode called which one? Hybrid. So what is the answer? Hybrid mode, right? Then Python support dynamic typing. True or false? True. Because Python is which language? Dynamically typed language, right? Yes. Then, yes. Which of the following is not correct about Python? Python is an open source language and Python is based on ABC language. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum, none of the above. None of the above. Because Python is which language? Open source. And Python is based on which language? ABC. And Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Okay, all these are true. So is it anything is not correct? No. So none of the above. None of the above, right? Then see the things which we completed. I'm just taking questions, what we completed, right? Yes. Each statement in Python is terminated by semicolon, colon, comma, none of the above. None of the above. Okay. So statements in Python is not terminated with anything. Okay. Suppose in C language, the statements are terminated with what? Semicolon. But in Python, it is not terminated with anything. In Python, it is not terminated with what? Anything, right? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I think we have done only this. Okay. So till now, whatever we complete, I am just taking questions from that only, but not other questions. But we'll try to see other questions also once we complete the topics. Okay. Then next, Next, one more mode is there. And what is that? Programming mode, or it is called as which one? Scripting mode. Okay, so what do you do in programming mode? Okay, so every Python program is a module. Every Python program is called as which one? Module. So what is module in Python? All right, what is module in Python? What is a module in Python? Is a program. Every Python program or every program what you write is called as which one? Module. Every program what you write, it is called as which one? Module. Okay. Every Python program is a module which is saved with extension. Okay, which is saved with extension .py. What is the extension of Python program .py? What is the extension of Python program .py, right? So every Python program is a module which is saved with the extension .py. Okay, extension with a .py, right? So every Python program is a module which is saved with extension .py, right? So is it one file or not? Yes. So how you write a Python program? You can write a Python program. Just open which one? IDLE. Yes. Open IDLE. First step. So open IDLE. Okay. How you open IDLE? Search. Search for which one? IDLE. Open IDLE. Open the IDLE, right? Then next is click on. Click on which one? File. Yes, click on, open IDLE, then click on which one? File. Dashboard. On dashboard, click on file and then select what? New file. Click on file and select new file. Select which one? New file. So file is nothing but here, program. File is nothing but program. Okay, file, new file. If you type new file, is it open? It is open one blank editor or not? Yes. So here, what you have to do? You have to write one program. Here you have to write the program. So I'm writing a program. This is my first program. I'm just writing print. I'm just writing print. Okay. Some welcome to print. Welcome to what? Python. I just write here print. Welcome to Python. Are you terminated with any semicolon here? No. Then type this program, and after typing this program, select which one? File, and say what? Save. Select the file and save, and you try to save the program. Okay, suppose I'm trying to save the program in my folder. This is Python 7 a.m. March. Now I just give the name of the program as what? Test1. What is the name of the program? Test1. Test1 is the name of the program. You try to save all your programs into one folder, right? So what is the name of the program? Test1. Okay. After saving the program, next what you have to do? Execute. Then how can you execute the program? Go to run and select what? Run module. Or you can use a shortcut called F5. Just click on run module, and you can see the output. Yes, you can see the output. What is the output? Welcome to Python. Getting on. Now your program is here. Your program is already open. Are you close your program? No. So you can see in the taskbar. Okay. You can see on the taskbar. You can see in the taskbar. Okay. Yes. So what is the message? Welcome to Python. Then see here, again I'm telling you, now close window. Close window is nothing but closing program. If you want to write another program, just go to file and select what? New file. Okay. But this is working in which mode? All right, this is in working in which mode? Interactive mode. If you want to write a program, you open which one? Program window. You open which window? Program window. How you open program window? File, new file. You open program window, file, new file, and here I'm writing print. Okay, this is my first program in Python. Okay, so print Python. Python is what? Easy language. So like this, I'm trying to put some statements, right? Okay, then after that, what do you do it? Go to file and select which one? Save. Okay, save the program. Where you save the program? In some folder. Okay, so don't you create one folder and save it. Okay, now this is a folder where I'm saving it. What is the name of this here? Tester2. Then how you execute this program? Go to run and select run module. And you can see now this is my first program in Python, and Python is easy language. Now you can also open programming window or not? Yes. You can close this by saying file, not exit ideally, close window. Okay, yes, open. These are the basic steps here. Click on new file, and after clicking on new file, what do you do it? What do you do it? Write a program. Okay, so print hello Python. Okay, print. Okay, Python, welcome to hello Python, welcome to Python. So do this. Okay, do this. Yes. So I try to put all the steps here. I try to put all the steps here. Now after typing this, next is what? Fourth step. Save the program. Save the program or file. How you save the program? How you save the program? Go to what? File and select which one? Save. Go to file and select save. Save the program. Select the file and save. And once you click on file save, save, then it will ask you where you want to save the program. So select the location where you want to save the program. Select the location where you want to save the program. So every Python program is saved with the extension .py. Every program is saved with the extension .py. So save the program here. Yes. Now after saving the program, next what you have to do? You have to execute the program. And how you execute the program? Click on run and select which option? Run module. Click on run and select which option? Run module. So fifth one is executing what? Program. So for that, just click on run and select run module. So what is module in Python? What is module in Python? Python, what is module in Python? Program. Every Python program is one module. See here. Every Python program is a module which is saved with the extension .py. See, C program is called C program only. Java program is called Java program only. But every Python program is called one module. Special name is there. What is the name? Module. Every Python program is called as a module. Okay. So module, and every Python module is saved with the .py. Okay. So program is a set of instructions. Now execute the program. And once you execute the program, just go to run and select run module. Can you see hello Python and welcome to Python? And if you want to see your code window, just go to window and select which one? Test.py. This is your program. Select window. Which window you are opening? Test.py. So your program can be executed how many times? Any number of times. You write once code and you can execute how many times? Any number of times, right? Okay. Then writing this program, see, you write the program in which one? Editor. What is that editor? IDLE. So without using editor, can you write the program and execute? Without using editor, can you write the program and execute? Yes. But where you write it? In other editors here. Next is writing. Even as a developer, you should know how to writing Python program without using Python, without using Python editor. Without using Python editor means I'll try to write in which one? Notepad. But is it Notepad is a text editor or Python editor? Text editor. Okay, Notepad is not a Python editor. Notepad is which editor? Text editor. So open. What do you do first? Open. Is it preferable? Writing program in Notepad is preferable? No. But as a Python developer, you should know how to write the code in different places and execute for the knowledge purpose. But in real time, you don't write programs in what? Notepad. Open Notepad. First step is open Notepad. I just open the Notepad. Then I said here print. Print hello Python. Okay, print hello Python. Then I save the program. Just go to file and then say what? Save. I try to save the program. Now give the location where you want to save the program. I want to save the program in my drive. Which drive? Some F drive. I'm saving in which drive here? F drive. Okay. So I have to save with the extension dot what? Py. What is this program? 1.py. Because Notepad will have the extension .txt, right? Then I selected what here? All files. And then I said program 1.py. Yes. Save the program. Can you execute the program from Notepad? No. Is it any option called runner? No, because Notepad is a Python editor or text editor? Text editor. Then how you execute this program? Go to where? Command prompt. Go to the command prompt. You are in which one? Command prompt. Where you save the program in which drive? F drive. Where you save the program in? F drive. But you are in which drive? C drive. You change it. F colon means you go to which drive? F drive. And here just type the command Python. What is the program name? Program 1.py. What is the message? Hello Python. Now this is executing from where? Command prompt. Writing program in where? Notepad. Executing from command. Because you cannot execute from Notepad. You execute the program by giving command. What is a command? Python. Python, and then you are saying program 1.py. So again I'm repeating this just here. You have to open the location where you save. Okay, open Notepad. Open Notepad and type which program? Python program. Open Notepad and type the Python program saying print hello what? Python. Okay. Yes, this is a program which I typed. So this is a program which I typed here. Okay. Yes. So after typing the program, next what you have to do? Save the program. Okay. Go to file and select which one? Save. Okay. Save the program. with extension dot, yes, py. Save the program with the extension dot py. Okay, with extension dot py. Okay, then fourth one is open. Open which one? Command prompt to execute. To execute which one? Program. So open command prompt. And after opening command prompt, where your program is in which drive? F drive. I switch from C drive to what? F drive. So the location where you saved it. Then type Python. What is your program? Program. Suppose I'll say file save. Where I'm saving is, okay, I'm saving in the location. So in F drive, I select which one? All files and some test2.py. Test2.py. Then here I'm using command to run the program Python test2.py. So what is the message? Hello Python. Yes. See here. Now how to work with the Python? See here. All the steps I've written. So Python developer work with the Python in how many modes? Two modes. What is the first one? Interactive mode. Second one is scripting mode. Okay. Yes, this is a C and C++ and this is Python. In interactive mode, you'll be working with what? Python shell. In interactive mode, you are working with the Python shell. And how to work with interactive mode? Every editor is providing in working in how many modes? Two modes, interactive and programming. Or you can work in which one? Command prompt. So if you want to work with the interactive mode in editor, then open editor. What is it? IDLE. Yeah, this is how you work with the interactive mode, right? Then next is, next is now Python. Before writing programs, let us talk about Python. Python, which one? Fundamentals. Python fundamentals. It means without knowing the fundamentals, can you write the programs? No. We just seen how to work with the Python. But to start working with the Python, I need to know which one? Fundamentals, language fundamentals. In order to learn any language, for example, a person want to learn English. Okay, suppose a person want to learn English, then he'll start with what? He'll start with what? Alphabets. After learning alphabets, he learn words. After learning words, then he learn sentences. He learns sentence. After learning sentences, then paragraphs. Okay, paragraphs like this. It's a learning process of which one? English. In the same way, grammar and all the things. Suppose the person want to learn Python, then he starts with English is a language and Python is also language. Then he start with Python, what? Alphabets. After learning Python alphabets, then you learn Python words. And these are called which one? Tokens. Using these tokens, you'll be writing which one? Statements. And the collection of statements is called as which one? Program. A set of programs is called as which one? Software. So you want to develop a software in Python, then a software is nothing but a set of programs. A program is a collection of statements. A statement is a collection of tokens. A token is a collection of alphabets. But to write a program, you should start with which one? Alphabets. So this alphabets of Python is also called as which one? Character set. This alphabets of Python is also called as which one? Character set of Python. Okay. But anyway, you please install the Python software and just to see how to work with the Python, how to work in interactive mode, how to work in which one? Programming mode. By Monday, you should familiar with that two modes so that we can start writing programs. Okay, now you should be familiar with that two modes, interactive mode and one more is programming mode with editor and without. Okay, now yes. But anyway, today I just stop it here. But see, yesterday I uploaded four are okay. Those are new again. Newcomers, if newcomers are there, okay. So these videos are there. Last or previous class videos are there in the Google Classroom. So this is the Google Classroom ID. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. This is previous class videos. Okay. Yes. Sorry. These are notes, previous class notes. And you can see the videos also. Now last classes videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, today's class also video. Today class video also I'll upload tomorrow. Okay, so that you can just go through all these videos, repeat yourself, so that you'll become very good in what language fundamentals. You'll be getting how to work with the Python, right? That's all. But see here, these are the notes. These are the notes. See, this is up to day 5 is there, and this is up to day 6. Day 6 is there. Okay, now then on Monday, tomorrow no class. So on Monday we'll see working with Python. Python what? Fundamentals. Okay. So fundamentals are important to write Python programs, right? So I think you understood, right? This one. Okay. You practice once. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the next class. Okay. No problem. Okay. Online students as well as offline students. So today we'll stop here and Monday we'll continue this, right? Thank you. We'll see you on Monday. Right. Open the folder at command prompt and do it. Yeah, we'll be working on VS Code also. Right? Tell me here. Hmm. the code, what you write in Notepad, you can execute in ideally. You open that program in ideally. You open that program in ideally and execute it. In the next class, I'll tell you otherwise. Okay. And I don't know how to open folder in command prompt. Okay. I'll tell you in the next class how to open the folder in command prompt also. Okay. Yes. Class code. This is class code. రిలయన్స్ స్మార్ట్ ఉందా? స్మార్ట్ కింద ఒకసారి అడగండి చెప్తాను. హెల్ప్ అండి.